when I say what up, guys, it sounds like I'm depressed. What's up, Fire Army? So it's a rainy day, and that's lovely. Go to the Super Trash House, and it's on a weekend, which is also pretty good. So, 3 things, no 4 basically, but one though I don't know if we're gonna be able to do one of them. Number 1, shelter. 2, water. 3, fire when it's absolutely just pouring the rain. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do that one. Unless I cheat or something, but I don't know how I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna have to find some dry stuff. Oh no. Fire works, but it doesn't matter. So, then 4th is survive. It's pretty dry up here. I'm trying to find some decently dry stuff to use as shelter. It's pretty dry here. I mean, I could just be super smart and use the camper, but, you know. I might go over my deck and get some messed up cardboard and stuff. Yeah, that's what I might have to use to start a fire with. Gonna have to start it with my electro lighter. I love it. So, this is the best spot, my old fort. Not the one that got destroyed. Someone destroyed it up the road to trespassing. We were out camping. So if it ends, I'll get back to you because I'm gonna have to dry everything. My whole phone off real fast. Yeah, so it'll be pretty dry in here. I'll get back to you whenever I get a fire or something. Bye. Okay, well, I got some water. Enough to rinse out the bottle I wanted to use. So, set that there. Fire didn't work that well. It's a little hot, but nothing. No embers, no nothing. So, you all won't be able to see something. Sorry guys, if you can hear me, I'm trying to rinse out the bottle. I'm trying to use the water. Not bad. I'll let them both fill up. And we'll let those fill up. There you are. And I'll get back to you in a little bit. Whenever you're just trying to make water out of your little system over there, you're just trying to get some water, and you look back and this is happening, how does that work? It's freaking pouring the rain and there's freaking fire. It's new. Not before at camping, but I already had it going before it was raining, so it just randomly appeared. Don't know how this happens. Or if it's a glitch. Keep going though. Keep giving it heck. Okay, let's go over and check out my water system. It's gonna go on in about 5 minutes. How much water does it have gathered? Not bad. Water bottle. I need some more. Hand over it. That's my jacket, but it's gonna be a shake. Rinse her out, dump her out. And we should have water here soon. This is interesting. I'm not sure surviving. Oh, there goes the fire. Let's make this out. Man, it's smoky. I don't like that. It's smoky. I'm gonna get the fire department called even though I am a firefighter. So, hey, fire light. So I'll get back to you all when something exciting happens or something. Bye. I might bring out my BB gun if it stops. So, bye. Because I got my pellets in. So, bye-bye. Bro. When is it like this? You guys know, it's 7 foot up right there. I usually step on land right there. Look at Emmy's pond. And look guys, get this. Oh, you can't see it like this. But there's a football. I might get that. But can you all see it? That's never running that hard. I kind of want this football right here. So I might try and get it. I should be able to reach it. It's a little dirty, but it works. Football. This is an interesting day. Oh, I kind of want that golf ball. That golf ball. That golf ball that Emmy had. Golf ball. Golf ball and get the pick out of the street because I don't want that. Number one, there's probably snapping turtles. There's definitely snakes. Well, so far I know there is one snapping turtle. There's 3 snakes, but probably more. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna have to end the video. So, we had some fails and some successes. Shelter, which I really didn't make when I just hid under a big tree and I stayed dry for a little bit. So shelter, check. Water is a fail. And get this, fire, check. How do you get fire in this, but no water? I'm confused. I'm out of breath for some reason. So make sure you all like and subscribe, and we will work hunting video coming soon, today or tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. So there's that. And peace.